Hi guys, in today's makeup tutorial for beginners, I am going to be showing you how to create a simple eye makeup look with rhinestones.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give.
I'm going to be starting off by using a face powder that is 2 shades darker than my actual skin color. This one is going to be serving as a transition color. I'm using a pointed fluffy blending brush to apply it, and I'm going to slightly wing it out. Then I'm using an angle brush to pick up that same powder. This time is to create a more concentrated, a more defined line in my crease, and I'm bringing it outward. Then also I will extend it to the lower part of my lash line at the outer part. I am using a shader brush here to pick up a darker shade of powder. This powder is what a darker skin person would use as a contour or as a face powder, and I'm using that to further define that line to make it show more on my crease. Then I'll be using a shader brush to pick up a lighter shade of powder and place that on my lid to bring the whole look forward. This part, what I'm doing is to place a clear adhesive, lash adhesive, just so the rhinestone I am going to be placing on the line have something to stick on. I'm just following the line that I created. Then on my lash line, I am using another powder shade that is a lot deeper than my actual skin color, but this has a warm undertone to create a blown out eyeliner. Then on my lower lash line, I'm basically using the powder that I used in my crease to create that defined line, the cut crease line on my lower lash line. To open up my eyes, I'm using a white powder, and I went ahead to use a white pencil in my waterline. And to tidy up this look, I am using a mascara. Guys, this is the finished look. Let me know how you feel about this look in the comment section. You can glam it up by using a red lip stain just to give it like a proper glam look for any event. Let me know if you like this look, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.